Sinabi ng Department of Foreign Affairs ang patuloy na pagpapatupad ng Pilipinas ng diplomatikong hakbang kaugnay sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Sa kanyang pagharap sa Senate's Committee on Foreign Relations, iginiit ni Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro na iba't ibang mekanismo ang ginagawa ng pamahalaan tulad na lamang ng consultative mechanism sa China para mapahupa ang tensyon. Binigyan din ng kalihim ang halaga ng pagpapatupad ng diplomasya tulad na lamang ng paghahain ng diplomatic protest na isa ring official record.
I mean, yes, the United States is observing this one China policy. Hindi naman sila po binubuli. Tayo po nabubuli. And come to think of it, that's our neighbor. So we respect what they want, pero what we want is that they get out of the West Philippine Sea. They don't respect that, Madam Chair.
I guess the situation is such, but as far as the Department of Foreign Affairs is concerned, we have certain mechanisms that we have been employing from the start in dealing with.
Umabot na yata ng 300 mahigit. Ilan na ba? Ano ba ang running count natin? Napakarami. Wala na ma-epekto.
Yeah,
Parang nakakahiya, dinedetma.
ang problema, Madam Chair, is that it's also important na yung mga protests na yon form part of the documentation in case whatever happens